How to make a food plan for the week. Step-by-step guide. Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
How to make a food plan for the week. Step-by-step guide. How to make a food plan for the week. Step-by-step guide. Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet can be a challenge, especially with the rush of everyday life. However, weekly meal planning can make this process much easier, ensuring that you have nutritious meals ready and organized. In addition to saving time and money, meal planning helps improve your health, avoiding impulsive and unhealthy food choices. In this guide, you will learn step-by-step how to make a meal plan that meets your nutritional needs and helps you maintain a healthier and more balanced routine. 1. Define your goals and needs. Before you start planning your meals, it's important to think about your goals. Do you want to lose weight? Gain muscle mass? Maintain a balanced diet? By setting your goals, it will be easier to choose the foods and recipes that best meet your needs. Also, consider your dietary preferences, allergies or restrictions. If you follow a vegetarian, low-carb diet or have intolerances, such as gluten or lactose, this will directly influence your planning. The importance of making a diet plan. Meal planning is one of the most efficient strategies to ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. It offers several advantages, such as saving time and money, as well as making it easier to adopt healthier habits. When we talk about healthy eating, the challenge often lies in organizing and preparing meals in advance. And this is where food planning comes in as a powerful tool. 1. Time saving and stress reduction. Having a meal plan eliminates the need to think about what you are going to eat at each meal. Instead of spending time deciding and improvising, you will already have everything defined, which reduces last-minute stress and makes your routine easier. By planning, you also avoid the temptation to make quick and unhealthy food choices, such as ordering fast food or resorting to processed meals. 2. Balanced and nutritious diet. With planning, you guarantee a more balanced diet, as you can include all food groups in your meals. Having an organized menu allows you to better control portions and choose foods that promote complete nutrition, rich in vitamins, minerals and macronutrients, such as proteins, quality carbohydrates and healthy fats. 3. Improved meal quality. When you plan your meals, you have the chance to include a variety of fresh foods, minimizing the consumption of ultra-processed products rich in sugar and sodium. This contributes to improving general health, promoting more energy, greater stamina and weight control. Furthermore, by planning, you can create tastier and more nutritious dishes without relying on ready-made options. 4. Weight management and health goals. Diet planning is especially useful for those looking to lose weight or gain muscle mass. With it, you can adjust your meals according to your nutritional goals, controlling calories, nutrients, and portions. This makes it easier to avoid exaggerations and achieve the desired results in a healthy and sustainable way. 5. Reducing waste and saving money. Planning your meals also helps you avoid wasting food, as you only buy what you will use that week. With the menu-based shopping list, you spend less money and avoid accumulating unnecessary items. Furthermore, preparing meals at home is usually much more economical than eating out or ordering delivery. 2. Create a menu based on nutritious meals. Effective meal planning includes balanced meals from all food groups. Be sure to include lean proteins, chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, legumes. Complex carbohydrates, brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, oats. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, chia seeds. Fiber and vitamins, vegetables, fruits, whole grains. Vary the types of foods throughout the week to ensure you are getting all the nutrients you need and to avoid monotony in your menu. Maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is essential for the proper functioning of our body and the prevention of diseases. When we talk about a balanced diet, we are referring to an adequate balance between different food groups, such as proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Each of these components plays an essential role in maintaining our physical and mental health. Benefits of a balanced diet. Constant power supply. Consuming complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, vegetables, and fruits, ensures a constant release of energy throughout the day. This prevents glucose spikes and keeps your mood stable, preventing the feeling of tiredness or lack of concentration. Muscle development and maintenance. Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Including lean sources of protein, such as chicken, fish, eggs, legumes, and tofu, in your meals is crucial, especially if you exercise regularly or are looking to gain muscle mass. Improved digestive function. A diet rich in fiber, from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, helps with digestion and good bowel function. Furthermore, adequate fiber consumption helps prevent digestive diseases, such as constipation, and promotes a feeling of satiety, helping to control weight. Strengthening the immune system. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as citrus fruits, dark green vegetables, and oilseeds, strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and diseases. Vitamin C, for example, present in fruits such as orange and acerola, is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and improves the body's resistance. Weight control. Maintaining a balanced diet helps regulate body weight. By consuming foods rich in nutrients and with low calorie density, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, you can reduce your calorie intake without compromising nutritional quality, which is essential for those who want to lose weight or maintain their ideal weight. 3. Choose practical and quick recipes. When planning your meals, choose recipes that are easy to prepare and can be made in large quantities. Opt for dishes that can be stored in the refrigerator or frozen, such as grain salads, quinoa or brown rice with vegetables, soups and creams, grilled or roasted chicken, cooked legumes, beans, lentils, boiled eggs or omelets. This strategy saves time during the week and ensures you always have a meal ready. In today's busy world, lack of time often becomes an obstacle to maintaining a healthy diet. However, there are several practical and quick recipes that can be prepared in just a few minutes, ensuring that you eat well even on the busiest days. Here are some suggestions that combine flavor, nutrition, and agility. And if you are enjoying the tips, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to bring more tips to you. Benefits of practical and quick recipes. Time saving. Simple recipes allow you to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying life. They are ideal for those who have a busy routine but don't want to give up a healthy diet. Ease of preparation. With simple steps and accessible ingredients, these recipes are perfect for those who are not experts in the kitchen. This helps to increase confidence when cooking and encourages trying new dishes. Variety in food. Quick recipes can be easily adapted, allowing for a wide variety of flavors and ingredients. This helps avoid dietary monotony and ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Financial economy. Preparing your own meals at home is usually cheaper than eating out or ordering delivery. Furthermore, you can control the ingredients, avoiding industrialized products and making your meals healthier. Tips to increase practicality in the kitchen. Prepare ingredients in advance. Leave chopped vegetables and cooked proteins ready in the refrigerator. This way you save time when cooking. Use one-pot recipes. They save cleaning time, as you prepare everything in a single container. Try the meal prep method. Set aside one day a week to prepare and store meals, making everyday life easier. 4. Organize a shopping list. With the menu defined, make a detailed shopping list, separating it by categories such as vegetables, proteins, grains, dairy products, etc. This way, you avoid impulsive purchases and ensure you have all the ingredients you need to prepare your meals. Shopping based on weekly planning also helps reduce food waste, as you will only buy what you will actually use. 5. Set aside a day to cook. Choose a day of the week to do the most preparation. Many people prefer Sundays to cook and get everything ready for the week. On that day, you can cooking grains like brown rice or quinoa, bake or grill proteins, such as chicken, fish or lean meat, cut and store vegetables for salads or stir-fries, prepare healthy snacks, such as mixed nuts or chopped fruit. This process, known as meal prep, ensures that your meals are always ready, avoiding the temptation to opt for fast food or processed foods. 6. Store your meals correctly. Once you've prepared everything, it's essential to store your meals properly to ensure they stay fresh throughout the week. Use airtight containers to portion each meal and label with the preparation date. This makes it easier to choose what to eat and avoids waste. If you don't intend to consume all your meals immediately, choose to freeze some portions, especially dishes such as soups, stews or meats, which freeze well. 7. Adapt your plan as needed. Flexibility is key to maintaining sustainable eating planning. Some weeks may be busier than others, and you may need to adjust your plan. If this happens, make small changes, such as repeating meals or opting for quicker but still healthy options, such as salads or wraps. Remember, the important thing is to stay focused on a balanced diet without overcharging yourself. Conclusion: food planning is essential for a healthy life. Making a weekly meal plan brings several benefits, such as saving time, greater control over your diet, and ensuring healthier meals. By following this step-by-step guide, you will transform the way you organize your diet, making it more practical and balanced. Did you like this content? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. Here you will find valuable tips to improve your diet and lead a healthier life. Let's go on this journey together. Also watch these other videos, which complete more about this subject, so important for you to have a healthier life. We leave it here at the end for you.